I would like to focus on brush heads because I believe they are a very important part of the entire iO experience. There are links below this video where you can get best deals on replacement Oral-B brush heads. My video will also benefit Oral-B toothbrush owners because actually when you purchase an Oral-B product you can register it and extend your warranty. So instead of the standard 2 years you get 3 years warranty, and this means that occasionally maybe with a heavy use your Oral-B toothbrush battery might not be working really well and you need basically a replacement because you got issues with a battery. I know this happens to some people, and if you enjoy a very clean mouth you definitely want to go for iO brush heads. Because they are iO brush heads, they are only compatible with iO toothbrushes, and here in my hand I'm holding an iO9 toothbrush. Another important feature of this toothbrush has a pressure sensitive sensor, so whenever you're brushing your teeth too hard it will shine red, but whenever you're doing it properly it should shine green, and whenever you are not giving it enough pressure it would shine in the color of your choice. You can choose from different brush heads. The most common one is the Ultimate Clean brush head, which I'd recommend using because if you want to get that professional clean, almost like as if you were visiting a dental hygienist on a daily basis, I like to use this one. However, the second most common one would be the Radiant White brush head. You can see the bristles, very different. Slightly different because they are optimized for whitening effect. So these are my most favorite toothbrush heads. I would recommend anyone who wants to achieve a professionally clean mouth. So why am I so obsessed with this iO series is that it comes with high quality brush heads. Not every single electric toothbrush comes with good brush heads, and the iO ones are the most advanced electric toothbrush brush heads on the market you can get, and they do provide a thorough clean. You need to replace them roughly every 3 months. That's recommended by Oral-B. So if you buy a 4-pack of these, they will last you for a year. There are 2 different types of electric toothbrushes: those that oscillate, like for instance this one, and those who just pulse and vibrate. And in my opinion, pulsing is not enough and you want a toothbrush that oscillates, and obviously these brush heads oscillate. When I was choosing my electric toothbrush, I considered that oscillation is a key factor in making that decision. And Oral-B are meant to simulate that dentist quality clean. Why do I think that this toothbrush is the winner out of all electric toothbrushes? I think it's most importantly due to the iO technology. Because this toothbrush uses an advanced technology, it makes it less noisy as opposed to other toothbrushes that are on the market. This is an iO9 toothbrush, and I can encourage anyone who is considering switching to an electric toothbrush to invest in one. However, you don't need to specifically invest into this one because this is one of their more expensive models, their iO2 series, which is basically their cheapest electric toothbrush you can get in order to be able to use this most advanced iO cleaning heads. If you want to get the best toothbrush head for your electric toothbrush, you need an iO series toothbrush. It doesn't have to be iO9, you can get iO2 for around £45. However, if you want to leverage sales and other deals, I will keep links posted down below this video, and you can get the iO9 for roughly £200 when it's on sale. I do like the fact that the iO9 series comes with magnetic charging, so I can keep it nice and clean, and it's also very practical. It looks good in your bathroom whenever you need to charge it. It's just convenient, I think, to have a magnetic charger. Another thing that comes with this toothbrush is an portable charging case that can be used for travel, and at the same time it charges your toothbrush, so you not only get just this electric charger, you also got another one basically. And what I like, it also comes with this storage space for your different toothbrush heads. What I really want to highlight in this video are these toothbrush heads. They are genius, and I've been using this toothbrush for almost a year, and I never ever had such a clean feel in my mouth. With this toothbrush, you get a variety of replacement heads that are available. Most common one is the Ultimate Clean one that is focused to give you that deep clean feel. and is recommended for daily use because you ultimately, with your brushing habits, you want to prevent formation of plaque. Another replacement head is radiant white, that's ultimately used when you want to achieve the whitening effect, and another one is gentle care one for people with sensitive gums who want to have an enjoyable brushing experience. And the last one is a very interesting one called interdental one, people who got braces. Let's talk about another major benefit of the upper end iO series toothbrushes. So when you switch it on, you get this lovely colorful display that welcomes you with a smiley face. When you switch on this toothbrush, you can choose from different modes. You got intense, super sensitive, tongue clean, you got settings mode, you got daily clean, sensitive teeth, whiten, gum care, etc. And there are also additional links where you can get the best deals for your Oral-B iO toothbrush. This was a quick review of my Oral-B iO experience. If you enjoyed this video, let me down in the comments below and let me know about your experiences with electric toothbrushes, or if you need any advice. I will keep the space down below updated with all the latest links where you can access the very best offers. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.